am getting so many comments about this hair. This hair is from Jita Hair. It is a V-part wig, except I do not wear it as a V-part. I take the clips and I wear it vertically, like as if it's a half wig, and I place the front perimeter of my hair in front of the wig, if that makes sense. Let me know if you want a video. I might film that. But yeah, I'm actually in love with this. I'm so over lace wigs. I'm so tired of lace. Like, I'm just tired of it. So V-part wigs are definitely the way for me. And I don't know why this particular hairstyle, it just gives me like Megan Thee Stallion. Like, I don't know if you guys seen like Megan Thee Stallion when she wears her big curly hair. I love it so much. But yeah, this is it. And this is like day 5 from when the last time I defined the curls on this hair. So each day I wear it, it gets bigger and bigger, and I actually like it. The more days I go without defining it. But yeah, that is the tea on the hair.